वाले वाली माइक टेस्ट 1 2 3 एज एन इंटरनेट ब्राउजर होगा
भाई हम
यार इसी तरह होता है इंटरव्यू तुम होगा
Name yourself as an internet browser.
I am more like a Brave browser. It's more secure and it it has ad blocking feature in it, so it helps me a lot.
Describe your personality as a programming language.
I am, what can I say? It's I have developed some application in C Sharp, so I will go with that. It has a very strong framework to resolve maximum problems. So I am more like a problem solver, so I will go for C Sharp.
Okay. If a bug in your code turns into a pet, what kind of creature it would be?
Turns into a pet,
Yes.
and it could be anything.
Yes.
Okay, let me think of. Do you know about chameleon? गिरगिट पाकिस्तान
Yup.
में उसको कहते हैं, गिरगिट रंग बदलता है, तो I will say it would be like a chameleon.
And if you get that pet, how you train that?
I never had any pet like reptiles, so I don't know how to train it. I will more likely I will maybe kill it, because what it is I do for, in the programming language, I do it with the bugs
You are
and my
trying to
code.
say that you would kill the pet.
Yeah.
That's why you don't have any pet.
Yes.
Okay, what's the weirdest thing you have Googled while coding?
Weirdest thing while coding, I
Yeah.
googled it. It's maybe funny, and already people had memes on it. So I don't recently have anything that I have, googled it like weirdest for the programming. Let's say, for the sake of question, uh, how to hack the Google.
If you had a superpower, but it could only be useful in daily life, what would it be?
I already have a superpower,
And what's that?
and it's cooking. I can cook for myself, and I
Oh,
am a great cook.
what's the most random hobby or skill you have just picked up for the fun?
Just picked up for the fun. मैं हिस्ट्री के ऊपर रिसर्च करता हूँ, ऐसे ही वीडियोस वगैरह देखनी, मंगोल्स की क्या हिस्ट्री थी, इस्लाम की क्या थी, अमेरिका की क्या थी, इस तरह की एस्ट्रोलॉजी के ऊपर रिसर्च कर ली, इस तरह की चीज़ें.
So, you want to say that you are most kind of curious person जिसको
यस,
हिस्ट्री में इंटरेस्ट है
मुझे
और
सिर्फ हिस्ट्री में नहीं है, हिस्ट्री में इंटरेस्ट है, करंट इवेंट्स में, टेक्नोलॉजी में, साइंस फिक्शन में,
then why
स्पेस में.
software developer? Why don't you go for the CSS?
CSS?
Yes.
How you can relate that with my curiosity to the field?
बिकॉज आई हैव लिसन जिसको IR जिसको करंट अफेयर्स का शौक होता है, जिसको ये शो मतलब जो बंदा हिस्ट्री से ज़्यादा वो अपना नॉलेज जिसका हिस्ट्री में अच्छा होता है या ये सारी चीज़ें,
Maybe it's
वो
not
CSS और
my
ये सारी चीज़ें.
cup of tea, I think.
वाई?
I have more interest in, development, programming. That is all. Because it's more like कि मुझे रोज़ कुछ ना कुछ इस तरह की प्रॉब्लम को रिजॉल्व करना होता है जो थोड़ी सी क्यूरियस होती है, और वो जब रिजॉल्व हो जाती है तो फिर वो मीम वापस आती है. Yes, I have killed it.
Suggestion for the newcomers who want to develop their career as a software developer.
Who want to यार इंटरेस्ट है तो कर लो, अदरवाइज इतनी सारी फील्ड्स हैं, जो मर्जी करो, जिस चीज़ में इंटरेस्ट है। अभी तो डिजिटल एरा है, तो पिक अप अ स्किल जिसमें इंटरेस्ट है, उसके ऊपर थोड़ी सी मेहनत करो तो दैट वुड बी गुड फॉर यू।